Okay.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to ask that you stop recording me, okay?
Well, you're a public employee. I have every
am,
right to be in here.
This is our office.
This is a lobby.
No, out here is where you're able to film.
So
this is our office, and I'm asking you to stop.
So you're saying that I can't film in here?
That's right. We have county code, and that's part of the county code.
What's the county code? That I can't come into a public lobby and record?
That's correct.
Okay, you're mistaken.
If I don't give you permission to, I'm asking
You're a
to
public
stop.
servant. You're in your course of your duty. I have every right to record you as a public servant when I come into a building that my tax dollars pay for. I'm not in a restricted area. I have every right to come in here with a camera or without a camera and record. Just because you feel uncomfortable doesn't trump my rights to film.
Okay, Lori, would you call a bailiff?
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no.